All right, I think we are now all live. So, welcome everybody for joining me on what's been a little while for a live stream. And it's kind of a little special one for us today. So, not going to be here long, about 10 minutes or so. But what we're going to be discussing today or talking through, walking through, and hopefully setting up for you is something that is called or centered around what is called the loop coin or social token. Now, this loop token or coin, they're kind of used interchangeably, is a way for me and us to build a deeper, more meaningful connection as part of a community, and for you as a supporter, giving you the opportunity to be part of a community of people that share the same purpose, and we can all then have the opportunities to learn, grow, and also earn together. So regardless of whether you are an information worker, an IT pro, a citizen developer, a working professional, communication expert, consultant, HR professional, entrepreneur, business owner, full stack developers, or even creators and change makers as well. I know that the only way that we can make a massive impact on the way that work is experienced is if we do all of this together, and that is why I have launched this social token or create a coin called Loop, so that it gives us the ability and the platform to be able to do that all together. And it is going to also help not only you as supporters in your careers, but also entire businesses to help reevaluate how they communicate, collaborate, operate, and function as well. Now, why have I gone down this social token path? Well, it's a community-focused coin or token, and by holding one or many of these, you're going to have access to unlock exclusive shared unlock an exclusive, safe, shared community, and also become part of a shared economy as well, which is something that is relatively new to a lot of you there. And no one else is going to be able to have access to that unless they are a coin holder. And one of the end results of this stream here is that we're going to set up a Solana wallet, or a Phantom wallet in this case, and that is going to allow me to get you onboarded into this community by giving you a free Loop coin at the end. So follow through, set up your Phantom wallet if you haven't got one already, and then that will give you a public wallet address that will allow me to give you a free coin. Now, the benefits of being a coin holder or a Loop coin holder are going to be insane. So special access to me and other industry experts and community experts from across all areas of work and life. There's going to be exclusive chat rooms and discussion channels, access to a membership portal that is going to be loaded with hundreds and hundreds of hours of on-demand training and content that I have not only produced in the past, but will continue to produce in the future as well. Live trainings, workshops, masterclasses, even backstage passes to interviews and podcast recordings and things like that as well. And also special access to special guests that I will bring into the community as well, that will have open discussions and platforms for you to engage with them and ask questions, and also engage with them on that level as well. Now, I guess a little bit of backstory in how this is all coming about here. So creator coins or social tokens are part of this Web3 ecosystem, and in our case, we're part of this. It's kind of like a cryptocurrency, I guess you could say. So what we're saying here is, look, we are on the Solana blockchain. We've got this token called Solana that a lot of people around the globe have found value in. Now, you can swap this token for something that's called Rally or Solana Rally, and a lot of people have also found value in that. There's over $2 million worth of liquidity just in that. And what we've done as a group, and we've said, right, let's use that to our advantage. So what we can use and what we can do with Solana Rally is we can swap that to something called Gary Coin. And Gary Coin is, again, another coin, another token that is directly related to Loop as well. And then a lot of people have also found value in Gary Coin with over 6 figures of liquidity in that coin alone. And now what we can say is, what we can now do is now swap Gary for Loop. And now what we're going to see is value in the Loop coin, and that's where we come in and I come in by adding value to the Loop coin, and you as well adding value to that Loop coin as well. And we really become that shared economy and determine the value of Loop. So basically, Gary Coin is the doorway to access Loop. Now, if we want Loop, and you want to have access to this amazing community, then you do have to have Gary Coin, and you must acquire Loop via there. Now, the first step in that process is actually having a Solana wallet called the Phantom Wallet, and we're going to step through in a couple of minutes. It'll take us about 2 or 3 minutes to get set up. You'll then have a wallet, and that will then allow me to gift you a free Loop coin and circumvent all of the preamble by setting, purchasing, and going through that process. I can just gift you and give you a free Loop coin. Now, as the value of the coin increases, the value of the Loop coin increases as the economy and the community and the brand grows and that will then also reward you as an early supporter, a fan, a super fan, and also the creators that are going to be coming on board as part of the Loop coin as well. So I have a very bullish and a huge belief that the creator economy is here to stay, and the future of work really does require us to be part of these communities, and the future of work is community in general. So that is why I have launched this Loop coin. It has recently launched, and I want to bring you inside the inner loop by giving you a free Loop coin. But the first step in that process to allow me to do that is actually to set up a Phantom wallet. So we're going to step through that process now, and let's have a look at how easy that is to set up. So you can see on the screen now, I'm in Microsoft Edge. I'm on the Phantom website. Now, the URL for the Phantom website is simply phantom.app. So we can see that there's a couple of options for us to download the Phantom wallet. Now, all it is a browser extension plugin. All right, so it works across a number of different browsers. And when we click on the download button here, we're taken to the download page. So we can see that there is Phantom for mobile as well, available from the App Store and from Google Play. But today we're just focusing on the desktop. So we've got Chrome, we've got Brave, we've got Firefox, and we've got Edge. All right, so I am in Edge, so we're going to focus on the Edge browser. You can see here, we're taken to the Chrome web store, and we can add this directly to the browser from here. Once that extension has been added, and hopefully if you've got an opportunity to watch this recording, or if you're doing this live, then I will provide a form for you to pop your wallet address in, and then that will allow me to give you a Loop coin, and that will appear in your wallet automatically for you. So you can see here, that's all set up. And now if you already do have a Phantom wallet, then you can import that by using the I already have a wallet option. But here, what we're going to focus on is creating a new wallet. So we can see here, the first thing that we are asked is to provide a password. Now, again, recommendation here, try and create a highly secure password, a long password, and really make sure that you secure this password in a location that is safe. So I've got a password generated for me, and I'm going to paste that in here. I've read the terms of service, and I'm going to agree to the terms of service here. Then we're going to continue. Now, this here is the secret recovery phrase, separate from the password. And as you can see in yellow there, this is something that you really do want to keep in a secure location and make sure that we do not lose. This phrase is the only way to recover your wallet. So if you do have assets in your wallet and you lose this passphrase, then they will be gone. So don't share this with anybody. Nobody should ever ask you for your secret passphrase for your wallet. So do not give that out and store that in a secret location. Now, to view your secret phrase here, all you need to do is hover over that I with a slash through it, and you'll be able to copy and store that secret passphrase in a secure location. So I've already done that. Let's go. I have saved my secret recovery phrase, and we will click continue. Next option here is Phantom's just telling us that we do have a keyboard shortcut to open this wallet at any point in time. We'll just continue, and then we are all set up, ready to go. So we'll click finish. Now, after we click finish, that has been now added to my browser. Now, because I'm in Edge here, I'm just going to go to extensions, and you can see that the Phantom Wallet extension here is actually hidden. So we want to show that in the toolbar. So we can click this little eye, and it is now going to appear as a little icon in the browser toolbar here. In other browsers, it may automatically appear for you in that location. We'll click this little icon here, and you can see that it opens up my Phantom Wallet, but it's obviously empty because I've got no Solana in it. I've got nothing, no assets in there. All right, and we'll step through the process of getting assets in there in another video. But today, all I'm trying to get you onboarded with and set up with is this Phantom Wallet. And then that will allow me to, after you fill out the form that you can also see on the screen, then I can give you a loop coin free of charge. So we can see here, I have got this wallet address up the top, or the title here. And when I click this, that has now copied that, that wallet address to the clipboard. Now, I'm just going to open up Notepad here, and I'm going to paste that address in. So you can see it's a really long, random set of numbers and characters as well. That is your public wallet address. So this is what you can use and you can share with other people, and they can then send you assets, and that is the public wallet address. You can send assets out of your public wallet and also receive assets with that public wallet address. So we'll just drag that across here. So you can see bottom right hand corner of the Phantom Wallet is your settings icon. We've got the ability here to change the name of your wallet. This doesn't change the address of your wallet, just the name. And then we've got a number of other options here in the settings. We can change your password. So I would again recommend that you change your password frequently to your wallet, but again, store that in a secure location so that you don't lose that. Auto lock timer, again, something that is really important because we don't want people coming to your computer, opening up your browser and having access to your wallet. So keep this as low as whatever makes sense for you. I generally keep it around 5 minutes or so. And then if we keep scrolling down, we can export our private key. We can show our secret recovery phrase. We can reset the secret recovery phrase down here as well. Now, the first icon here, the dollar icon, gives us a list of the tokens or the coins that we do already have in our wallet. Now, those will list there. We can manage the token list through this option. The next option here is your collectibles. So if you're purchasing NFTs through the Solana blockchain, then they will also appear here in your Phantom Wallet. The middle icon here with the two arrows gives us the ability to swap our tokens. So you can see here, we can, if I had Solana in my wallet here, I could change from Solana to USDT or another token that I've got the ability to change through there. The lightning bolt icon is our recent activity. So that's in and out of our wallet. So anything that you receive will appear here. Anything that you send out will also appear through the recent activity as well. All right. So there we have it. It's nice and easy to set up. So for anybody that's live now or watching the recording, go off and set up your Phantom wallet. Then also, what I have set up for you after you have set up your Phantom wallet is a simple Microsoft form like so. So I'll pop this QR code up on the screen right now, and then you can scan that code. I'll also paste the link to that form in the comments of this video, of this live stream. And then once you've set your Phantom wallet up, you can jump back into this form, and all we need to do is your first name, your last name, your email address, and your public sole wallet address. All right, so this here, let me just jump back into the Phantom wallet and show you how you would fill this out or grab your public wallet address. So all we do is we click that title there where it's got our address. We can come to this form, we can submit, or we can paste that public wallet address into here, pop your email address in, pop your last name in, pop your first name in, hit submit, and then once I receive that, I will gift you a free Loop coin. You'll be then part of the Loop community and gain access to all of the benefits that this coin will deliver. So from a Microsoft 365 perspective, we're going to have amazing masterclasses and training courses and discussion rooms and audio rooms, and also access to not only to myself, but also to other industry experts who will be coming in, providing us with some amazing content and opportunities to engage with them as well. All right, so that's all we are going to do for this stream right now. So again, watch the recording of this, set up your Phantom wallet, because I really want to bring you inside that inner loop and the community there, so that you can gain access to all of the perks, rewards, and benefits that everybody is enjoying there as well. So thanks for joining me live, or if you're watching this recording, then feel free to hit me up wherever you can find me, and then we will engage there as well. So thanks for joining me, and thanks for watching the recording. I'm just going to end the broadcast